Welcome back everybody, my name is Yoguely and today we are unboxing the EVGA GeForce RTX 3060 Ti. Now I'm super excited because it's been months since I've been wanting to have one of these, the 3000 lineup of the GeForce, and I finally have my hands on one. It should be better than any other video card I got right now, so let's check it out. Wow. Okay, so a couple of interesting things I noticed right off the bat is there seems to be a texture here. Looks like a 1 and a 0, perhaps, on the fan. This EVGA video card has 3 fans, which I wanted because it's better for thermals. 2 fans is okay, but if you have a chance to get 3, get 3. Oh, is this? Oh, this is the same little icon that's here, right? The 0 and the 1, on and off. Thank you for giving me this privilege of unboxing this. Okay, nice. Okay, let's look at the outputs. Okay, so we've got a display port, another display port, a third display port, and an HDMI port. Looks like here in the bottom we've got 3 connector cables
for the fans.
These are 1 connector per fan. So one really cool thing looking towards the back is that this here is a backplate, and it's good for the structural integrity of the video card. So there's less flexing when you put this thing on the motherboard because this is quite heavy. This is truly a powerful video card, so having this backplate is nice. Okay, very nice. Let's see the backplate by removing this plastic peel. Okay, wow, this is a $400 experience, baby. Very satisfying. Alrighty, looking at the other side, we've got 2 8-pin power connectors. Wow, this video card is beefy and needs a lot of electricity. Okay, so last thing I want to take a look at is on the opposite end of where the ports are. This end is black. The 3080 video card has a red plastic plate here. If you're going for aesthetics, then that's one thing to keep in mind. The 3060 Ti has a black plastic plate here, and it's very nice. I like it. It's very sleek. I think anything goes well in black. Wow, this is a really nice logo. I like the font there, and I wonder if this will light up. I wonder if these are LEDs. I guess we'll have to plug it into the desktop and see. Let's check it out.